Alright guys, so watching OLB for tomorrow, March 16th. Essentially just looking at this giant move we had recently. Then it's kind of pulled back to the breakout area where it's been holding that okay, and it's put in this flat top right here that's currently acting as resistance. Little uptrend going on the lows, creating this kind of ascending triangle. So I think if we pop through here, we have a shot to get to 10 bucks. So that's the trade I'm going to take. April 27th is earnings, gives us a little bit away, not an insane amount of volume, so certainly make sure you are careful there. Note this isn't investment advice, so make this trade your own, and I'll talk to you guys soon.